Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up because fixes can require reinstallation. Make a time machine or bootable installer now. Once done, disconnect all non-essential USB and Thunderbolt devices so external conflicts are eliminated. Next, note exact boot error text and the date you installed recent apps or updates. That lets you target software versus hardware causes. Make sure your power and cable are solid. Intermittent power can masquerade as Mac OS failure. Then proceed to safe mode. You boot into safe mode by holding Shift to disable non-essential kernel extensions and login items. This shows whether a third-party item blocks startup. Once booted, open Disk Utility and run first aid on both the internal apps container and the recovery volume to repair directory and snapshot issues. If Disk Utility flags problems, use terminal commands like dyskutil verify volume and, for deeper repair, fsck mac on the device node. Make sure to reboot after each repair step to confirm progress. If disk and safe mode fail, reinstall Mac OS from recovery to refresh system files without erasing your data. You do this because corrupted system libraries often cause boot loops. Once reinstalled, reset nvram/pram and the SMC to clear persistent hardware-related settings. Make sure to test startup after each action. If problems persist, boot from a bootable external installer, verify hardware with Apple Diagnostics, and restore from your time machine backup. Tip: if you still see errors, check logs and console for the exact failing process and proceed accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.